I look like and I feel like shit, and I just feel weird. And I have to also, you can really see where the differentiation between like where I put foundation and didn't. So just don't look at me. As the video goes on, it'll look more even, but I really didn't feel like putting makeup all over my face. But I wanted to put a little bit, and also you can tell that like the one that I'm using is absolutely like not my shade. In person doesn't look that bad. On camera I look insane, and you know what, we're just gonna deal with that. But anyway, if you are new or returning, I am Cecilia, or whatever you like to call me, as long as it's not rude, because I will crap it up because I'm a very sensitive person. If you've read the title, I am actually redoing another look that I've done in times past when this movie first came out. But we're going to be doing the iconic Love Witch from 2016, I believe. Put up the photo right now. So when I first did the look, I did more gray than blue, and I did blue I did gray in the crease, and that is actually not how the look goes at all. Also, I'm using new brushes that my friend Sarah got me forever ago. So shout out Sarah at Cyrex, commissions, Animal Crossing, all that good stuff. Go follow my sweet baby friend. But yeah, I have new brushes, and I also have new palette I'm gonna be using as well. I have some other ones as well that she got me, but I really think that this will be fairly easy. So I'm going to do a mix of some blues and then some grays on top, and then we're going to do a little bit of liner, a little bit of mascara, and then we should be good. I kind of just want to loosely put it over the lid. I don't want to be super precise. I'm using a fluffy brush just because it'll blend as it puts the shadow on, and as you can already see, it is a very strong blue. Life on Mars from the Claro Psych palette. I also don't want a lot of fallout, but I also don't want to be too precise. If you're a big fan of grungy or just simple easy looks, you can literally do this with any shadow and it would probably look nice. But she basically just has like this kind of bluish gray on the crease, on the lid, and then slightly blend it out, and then we have like a nice peachy tangerine on the lip. And so I literally have like 3 shades of lipstick of like just lip things, because I really don't know. This is not doing it for me, this brush. I think it's just too big for my eyelid, or not too big for my eyelid, but I really hate when you can see the lash line peeking through. I literally said, you don't need to be precise, and then here I am just not listening to myself. So blend just a little bit, just a hair, because we don't want to go too high, because the focus is really, I already fucked up. I literally breathe and I just ruin everything. But yeah, you can also see how my eye shapes just don't like to work with my face. So now I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of gray on top, and I'm just gonna kind of mute the color out. Also, this is a good way kind of to make more of these muddy neutrals from bright colors. As you can see, like it already kind of toned it down just a little bit. If you want to do your own like at home DIY pastels, you can also use a bright color and then just pat white, a very non-pigmented or just big nice white. Also, if you're wondering why I have a headband on, my hairline is still stained from the blood, and I didn't feel like washing my face or taking a shower before doing this. Don't come for me. I am just not in a silly goofy mood, as the kids would say. Kind of gonna go back and forth between the blue and the gray just to get that shade that I want. I think we're almost there. I'm gonna go with another round of gray, because I don't know what shadow that they used, but it's like a nice bright blue, but it's like a medium toned blue, so it's like not super bright and not super bright, not super intensely blue. Okay, so I got that going, and now I'm just going to, with the same brush, I have this like pearl blue, and then I also have like, hold on, I also have that one, but it kind of just looks like it's like a little bit shimmer over, so because that one's too blue, too purple. So I should just have like just the slightest amount of shimmer. So I'm gonna do a little bit of white on the same brush and then a little bit of the blue. And just sweep it over very lightly. So again with the white and the blue, so that we have just the slightest amount of shimmer. I'm just gonna, because I want more of the shimmer. And then go in with the blue to get out the harshness of the white. Just barely there. Maybe I have something in my Juvia's palette, because I feel like this isn't like giving me what I want in terms of the shades. But I do also have this other one, this Gilded palette. Well, I also can't even hold it up right as well because one of the shadows broke. But maybe if I do, see, it doesn't have like a white. Maybe if I do just a little bit of the bronze. That did nothing for me. I think that'll have to do. Not complaining too much. I wish I had more of a like a blue shimmer color, and I think I do. So actually, let me find it first, and then I'll be right back, and I'll do eyeliner and mascara. Okay, so I have mascara, a little bit of eyeliner, a little bit of mascara, as I said before. So these are the options that I have. That I lost one of them. I don't know where it is, but it's definitely not that one. Let me see if I can find it. So I currently have this old no-name lip gloss. It's called Dollface, and then I also have this BH Cosmetics Cream Luxe lipstick in Toasted. But this is more of a brown, and then this one is more, I think, of the color I'm going for. So let me just put the gloss on, because it's kind of peachy, like the colors complement each other. This is not the color, but her lips are a little shimmery, so I'm not mad. I also really love full colored lip glosses, like very saturated color. Like, you know how some are just glittery or shimmery? Do I hate it? No, I actually really like this. I just wish I had the right shimmer shade. I used the blue shimmer from the Juvia's Place Mini. It kind of brought out that color that I was looking for. And I also don't think she has that big of a wing, but I didn't want to do a liquid eyeliner because I'm literally going to wash this off, take a shower, and then come back and film another video. I swear I actually have a tangerine or more of like a peachy color that looks closer to the photo. But I'm lazy, and I literally have like 30 lip colors in total, including like glosses, traditional lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks, and I couldn't find a shade that matched. Or maybe I do and I'm just losing it, because I swear I do. But yeah, that's all that I have for you for today's video. Quickie but a goodie, me being frustrated and me being annoying and ugly as always. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.